The second product on our list is the Tile Pro Tracker. The Tile Pro is a little Bluetooth tracker that can help you find your things. It's perfect for keeping track of your keys, wallet, and other things that you don't want to lose. The tracker attaches to whatever you want to keep track of, and you can use the Tile app to find it. You can even use the tracker to find your phone while it's in silent mode in case you lose it. If you're looking for a reliable tile tracker that won't break the bank, the Tile Pro is a great option to consider. It has a loud alarm that will help you find your lost item, and the app will even show you the last known location of your tile. Tile Pro Tracker is the latest in tile tracking technology. It's a small portable device that can be placed on any tile in your home. The device uses GPS to track the location of the tile and send you an alert when it moves. It has a replaceable battery, has a loud ringer, can be found by GPS or by sound, can be found by your phone's location, has a range of 100 feet, and can be used to find your keys, phone, or anything else you attach it to.